What's up, Flip fam? Welcome to the channel. Today's just going to be a quick video where we talk about the layout and design and what our plans are for our current project, the Ditto House.
In our last episode, we showed you our new house that we're going to be working on, and immediately you could see that we had our work cut out for us. The house feels extremely tight and closed off, and the design just does not make any sense.
Yeah, the house was built as a 1,700 square foot, 3-bedroom, 1-bath, but we honestly don't know where they're getting this number because there's all kinds of rooms that could be bedrooms, but they don't really make sense. Like if you look at this room here, it's got a closet, but it's also got an exterior door, so that's probably not a bedroom. Same story with this room here, it's got a closet, also has an exterior door. This room right here, it's not touching the exterior. It does have a closet. It also has 3 doors that provide access to this room, so there's not really any privacy, so maybe that one doesn't count either. There's also another part of the house that you can only get to by walking down this creepy staircase. The upstairs has all these weird angles and secret hidden rooms. Pretty much this house does not flow together. It doesn't make any sense. It feels tight and closed off. So it is going to be a challenge to correct this layout and make this house feel like a home.
So the first thing we knew we wanted to do for sure was take down walls and make it feel more open in here, and definitely add another bathroom.
Yeah, in this day and age, it's so much easier to sell a house with 2 bathrooms. So for us, this is a must-have because it just makes the properties move so much quicker when you go to sell them.
Speaking of bathrooms, this one is awful.
Not only is this bathroom terrible, it's the only one in the house and it's attached to the kitchen, which is also terrible.
This one's bad. There's no cabinet space, it's extremely small, it's just gotta go.
And I hate the idea of the bathroom being right behind the kitchen. The last thing I wanna do while I'm cooking in the kitchen is smell what you're cooking in the bathroom, you know what I mean? So this, we have to fix it. It's always hard to envision a house without being in it, so let's take a look at this layout and see what we're working with.
There's not a whole lot that we can do upstairs or to the room in the back of the house, so we're just gonna focus on the main floor. This house has 2 side-by-side front entrances, and it doesn't matter which one you choose, either way you're walking into a very cramped design.
So first thing, we have to give this home a proper entrance. So we're gonna block up one of these doors and start opening up walls. We're gonna take down this wall and this one. So now when you walk into the home, everything feels nice and open as opposed to just walking right into a wall. Now, anytime you plan on removing walls, always consult with a structural engineer and an architect to make sure it is safe and the wall that you're removing is not load-bearing.
Next, we're gonna rip up this carpet and remove the wall in between the kitchen and the bathroom. Now that we've opened up this room, let's try to maximize this space that we've gained. We're gonna be moving the kitchen and the living room into this space, helping us achieve a more open concept feel. So now when you enter the house, it feels more open and inviting.
By moving the kitchen to the front of the house, that offered up enough space for us to have not 1, but 2 full-size bathrooms, which is great because this was a must-have for us in designing this house. 1 bathroom will be for guests and general use. The other bathroom will be an ensuite off of the master. We're gonna take the location of the old dining room and make that the dedicated master bedroom. So now we know exactly where the bedroom is, and in this current design, we have master bedroom, bathroom, and we're putting the walk-in closet behind the bathroom. I'm not super thrilled with this layout. It's what we're going with currently. We may decide to shift the bathroom back towards the end of the house and put the walk-in closet in between the bathroom and the dining room, or we may extend the size of the bedroom down below. We've got kind of this empty space right here, which we may turn into a dining room, or we may use it to extend the size of the bedroom. By using this layout, we were able to check off a lot of the items we wanted from this house. We've got 2 full-size bathrooms, and now we actually know where the bedrooms are. We have the master downstairs. We're gonna be putting a 2nd bedroom upstairs, and the little room off the back of the house, we will be converting it to make it more of a traditional bedroom, and then someone could also use it as a den, an office, a man cave, whatever. So now this house actually makes sense. So this is our working design. It may change from here to there, but for the time being, we are very pleased with this layout.
Well, that was the design. What did you think? Did you like it? Would you do anything differently? Let us know in the comments.
All right, guys, that's it for us. Tune in next week. We're going to be taking sledgehammers and smacking down walls, and one of us is bound to get hurt. That's right, it's demo day. You won't want to miss that, so be sure to stay tuned, subscribe for more, and other than that, we will catch you on the flip side. Bye.